You won't believe what this machine is capable of. This is the new portable power station from Anker. The Anker 757 is the longest lasting portable power station on the market. The premium LFP batteries are good to go even after 3,000 complete charge cycles, which is 6 times longer than industry average. With a 1,500 watt output power and 1,229 watt-hour capacity, this power station has a lot to offer. The digital display is easy to read and gives out a variety of key information such as input power, output power, charge-recharge mode, active ports, remaining charge time, remaining recharge time, remaining capacity, temperature alarm, and power saving mode. Featured on this incredible machine is one car outlet, 2 USB-C outlets, 4 USB-A outlets, and 6 AC outlets. This unit recharges from 0 to 80% in 1 hour with a standard 120 volt outlet. Anker also offers compatible solar panels that charge from 0 to 80% in 3.6 hours with a max input of 300 watts. The LED light bar has 3 light options and is great for camping and dark spaces. The dual grip design makes it really easy to move this portable power station around despite the weight. So now that I've introduced you to the Anker 757, let's take this portable power station for a spin and show you what it can do. Throughout our many travels over the years, I can tell you it is very hard to find a good cappuccino in the middle of the desert, in Utah on Sunday, way out in the forest, or sometimes even at the beach. Now you can have espresso literally anywhere. So awesome. Which is my fave. I love a good cappuccino. Another thing that can be difficult is using a blow dryer when you're off the grid. When you're somewhere where night temps drop pretty low, it's no fun to go to bed with wet hair. I speak from experience from that. This portable power station's got your back to turn your camping trip into a glamping trip. With the 1,500 watt output, you can charge your cell phone many times. Let your imagination run wild and run a saw and cut up a bunch of wood for your next project. I absolutely love watching movies, and this portable power station allows you to plug in your TV, your projector, and your speaker anywhere to make the ultimate movie experience. You guys know I struggle with keeping my camera batteries charged, and with the Anker 757, I can charge all of my camera batteries, no problem. Margaritas, smoothies, acai, however you say it. The sky's the limit. Use your imagination and blend away into culinary bliss. Okay, drop your drink of choice in the comments. It's a hot summer day. What drink are you making? Let us know. You can also charge or use your speaker to be your own personal DJ. Love some good tunes. Use it to charge the batteries for your power tools. This is super helpful. With a battery life 6 times longer than the industry average, you can recharge your tool batteries again and again and again. It's summer and it's hot, but not here. So bust out your favorite fan and chill out using the portable power station to run it. Are you working on an off-grid project? Use the portable power station to run power tools such as drills, nailers, sanders, saws, etc. I love tacos. We love tacos. I actually don't think I've ever met anybody who doesn't like tacos. Anyways, plug in your electric stove and cook up something yummy. Here we're making some fish tacos, classic, bomb.com. Woo! All that made possible by the Anker portable power station. Illuminate the darkest spaces with light so your measurements are accurate. Measure twice and cut once, am I right? Okay, so now you're like, cool beans, but where do I buy this amazing portable power station? Well, I have a coupon for you. $150 off, so check the link in the description to get on that. Only available until July 17th, so get it! If you are in the future like Marty McFly and want to know where to purchase this, check the link in the description, okay? I have everything you guys need to know down there, so head down into the description for all of that info. Alright you guys, as per usual, thank you so much for watching. Super appreciate it. Go ahead and follow us if you would like to keep up with our projects and adventures on Pacific Pines Ranch, and see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Espresso all day!